Okay, so this is what I've gotten done. The overflow tank in, the windshield washer fluid. Both headers are now tight down. I have the O2 sensors in. So for the passenger side, I bought extensions because I thought I'd need them. Passenger side, I did need them. It's just a shorter one. I think it's a 12-inch. And then the driver's side was actually able to reach. I'm pretty sure I hooked them up right. I hope they're not backwards. The side coil packs, I just ordered some plug wires and little heat shield boots for them because the factory ones hit the headers and they're going to get melted into nothing. Like to go on so I can fire it and hear it run, but they should be here in a couple hours. It's really nice. Yeah. AC all hooked up. Heater core, dipstick. Yeah. So most of the stuff underneath is done. I'm gonna go put the cross member in. That'll lift everything back up some more. Then I'll probably get the rear drive shaft in. Then I'll throw the intake on just so the motor's a little more sealed up. And then I will start working on exhaust. I don't know if I'll do that today or do that tomorrow with the welder here. I'll probably start just to get it back behind the cross member because I want to make sure that I can get everything to it, get to everything. So yeah, cover these back up. Don't want water getting in the transmission lines. Yeah, so I've got to change the rear diff fluid, put fluid in the front diff, fill the transmission, the transfer case, and the engine for fluids. I should have all that. And then, yeah, I have to wire in the electric fans. I'm trying to just figure out what order to do everything in. I'd like to get everything underneath finished up and just done. But I need the back end in the air to do brakes and stuff. So I'm debating I'm not going to get this done by the end of tomorrow, completely done. Or I don't see that. No, it's definitely not going to happen. So I might wait on the brakes until I have another day before, just so it's not sitting with a brand new set of brakes on it, getting all rusty before they're even broken. Because I don't want to do that. So I'm just going to keep plugging here and see where I end up. All right, calling it a night. I think it's funny, you can see the lines of the braces underneath the hood. So where I'm at tonight, I have all this in and the motor's basically put together. 87 for the 4Runner and the good stuff. Good stuff. Program to get trained. Fire in the hole! Alrighty, good afternoon everybody. So it's running. Finally, it is now, I think it's 17 months to the day that it ran last. So yeah, I just want to get a quick recap on what's all been going on before I head back to school tonight. But I've got everything back in here. Well, everything. Missing a bunch of the stuff for cooling and everything, but we got it running for, I don't know, a minute. But yeah, she sounds good. It's running on all 8. Fired right up. Built oil pressure real quick, looks good on the gauge. I'll see once I can figure out what's up with HP tuners. I can actually see what it is, because this has a dummy gauge. I'm assuming though it's the same gauge itself as the Trailblazers and the Envoys. It's just a different, it just looks different. So it was above the middle, so it was probably about 50-60 psi, which is kind of what I was hoping for, cold. But yeah, got alternator, basically the motor's all dressed up. Open headers. Yeah, I didn't get to that. Doing the exhaust, got a new battery in here. Yeah, she sounds good, and can't wait to get her running. So hopefully within the next month I'll have time to get it all done. Brakes and exhaust, put it all back together and figure out how to get it tuned, because HP tuners wasn't connecting to it. So I got to figure out what's up with that. Now it kind of bothered me, but yeah, super happy. Huge relief to hear that thing finally fire off. No weird noises. Just my dad said he could hear the injectors clicking, but that's pretty normal. Yeah, so that's where we're at right now. I'd like to thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and we'll see you in the next one.